In this video, I show you how to fix GCash access temporary blocked. GCash detected suspicious changes. Reinstall your GCash app from the official app store or visit help center if issues persist. For fixing this problem, go to Play Store, search for GCash. Click on GCash. Now click on uninstall. Now install again. Now open GCash. Now I hope that this method fix GCash temporary block problem. If this method not working, then contact with help center, GCash help center.